but welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this rainbow bracelet on the monster tail. But before I start with the video, I do want to mention that give credit to another YouTuber. Her YouTube channel is Rena T. She teaches how to make bracelets, rainbow loom bracelets, and she made this. Her video is called Rainbows and Unicorns Bracelet, and she did make this on the hook, so I decided to make this on a monster tail, or you could make this on the loom if you don't have a monster tail. I'll show you later. And right now let's get started on the tutorial. So right now I'm going to show you the materials. So for my rainbow, so this is the rainbow part, so the colorful part. I have 3 bands for the rainbow, and I'm going to be using red, yellow, and blue for the rainbow color. And for this blue is going to be this sky color. I'm going to call it the sky color. And this white is going to be the cloud color. So right now I have my colors ordered like this. So my sky color, rainbow color, and at the end is going to be our cloud color. So I do recommend placing your bands like this so you won't get messed up. So right now I'm going to demonstrate how to do on the monster tail. So I thought monster tail would be a better idea because if you do it on the loom, you would just need 4 pegs. So if you don't have a monster tail, you can do it on 4 pegs on the bottom of your loom. But the monster tail is a bit better because the direction of the opening is facing outwards. So that would be better. You're going to take 1 band and then twist it so that you have a figure 8 or an infinity sign, like that. Just 1 band. Twist it and push it down. And right now we're going to add on our rainbow color. So take your first rainbow color, and then second and third. So it should look like this. So the bottom one, you only have to twist the bottom one, which is the sky color. And then the first, second, and third rainbow colors are on top of it. Make sure they don't get twisted like that, like over looped. Make sure they're in order and placed neatly. And then right now you're going to take the bottom one and carefully bring them up on the pin, over the pin, so that you have this in between those 3 rainbow colors. So like that. Right now we're going to move on with our cloud color. Oh, and I forgot to mention I did do 10 rainbows for my bracelet. It's just right for my wrist. You can make as much rainbows as you want. Again, I'm doing 10. So this is going to be my first rainbow. So you do count the rainbows like this. So this is 1, 2, and 3. So this is my first rainbow. Right now I'm going to take my cloud color. So 1 band of your cloud color. And I'm going to put it across. Again, your cloud color, put it across like that. And then right now you're going to carefully loop this over, loop both sides over, all the 3 bands. And right now it should look like that. But we're going to adjust. So make sure the red is on the bottom, like that. And right now you see it's actually red, blue, and yellow, but I want it to be red, yellow, and blue. So I'm going to move this to the top And make sure you do this every time we loop over the rainbow, because if you don't, the rainbow colors is going to be all messed up. And then right now, we're going to, since we finished looping the bottom 3 bands, we can bring this back to where it's from. So fold it in half, like that. So this is our first rainbow, and then we're going to keep going. Sky color, going to put it on top, and then make sure this one is not twisted. But right now you're going to loop the bottom white bands up and over the pin. And then you're going to push it down. And again, use your first red, your first rainbow color, second and third, like that. Make sure it looks like this, and then flip the bottom sky color over the rainbow colors, over the 3 rainbow colors. And then again, you're going to take your white, pull it across, take the rainbow colors, carefully loop it over, like that. Adjust it. So it's red, yellow, and blue. If you're not red, yellow, and blue, just make sure that your colors are in order in the way you put your bands on the monster tail. So like that, once you looped it and adjust it, you can bring the white bands back towards from. So fold it in half, like that. And you see it's going to start to grow right there. I did 2 rainbows, so 8 more to go. I'll do it one more time with you. So first, 1 sky color, make sure it's not twisted. Loop the bottom white bands over. Push it down. You can tug right here. Your first rainbow, second color, and then third, like that. Make sure they're not overlapped or twisted. Take your bottom blue, sky blue, and then loop it over, push it down. And if you don't want to just pull it across and then looping it and then folding it back again, you could do this, but I think it's a bit harder, or you think it's easier, that's up to you. You can go in through this one side of the rainbow, grab 1 white band, pull it through like that. I do recommend the folding one because this one is more advanced. So you're going to pull this through, fold it in half. So put both ends on your hook, take this off, and then place that back on to the pin. So the pin is going to be white. The bands on the pin is going to be white. So I'll do that again. So 1 band, this is basically the same, you just you're going to do it on the finger, on your fingers. So 1 band, hold this, stick it through all of the rainbow colors, pull this through. So make sure the sweat band is through those 3 rainbow colors. Both ends on your hook. Take this off, and then what's on your hook is going to go on that pin, like that. You need to tug, and then push that down, like that. So it's basically the same, it's just you're going to do it on your fingers. But I do recommend doing the folding process because that's more easier. So it's up to you. I will do it one last time. So 1 band of the sky color, loop both cloud color, take your first rainbow, second and third. Loop your bottom sky color. Push that down. Make sure they're not overlapped. Take your cloud color. Pull it to the other side. Carefully loop your rainbow color. Adjust it a little bit. When it's good, you can loop it back. Like that. So you see it's starting to form this rainbow pattern. So right now I'm going to fast forward through the whole bracelet, and I'm going to show you how to close off at the end. So right now you're going to pause the video and finish up your rainbows. So right now I did 1, 2, 3, and 4 rainbows. I'm going to do 6 more. So it's up to you on how many you want to do. And right now I'm going to meet you back when you're done with your rainbows. So right now I am done with my 10 rainbows. And right now I'm going to show you how to close off. You could use a band if you want, but I'm going to use an S-clip. And right now you still need one more sky color. So we're going to take your sky color, put it across, loop the bottom cloud color like that, just normally how you would start another rainbow. But right now we're going to take our S-clip and then fold it in half first. So fold it in half so both ends on one pin. Take your S-clip, take one side, and then clip both of your bands, both of the loops. So like that, both ends should be on one side. You're going to fold this in half, find the this cap band. You do want to make sure that it's not all twisted. Make sure that it's nice and flat. Find this S-clip, the other part of the S-clip, and then just clip all these 2 bands on the other side. So right now this is how it should look like. And you could adjust your rainbow if you want to, but I do want to just leave it like this. So these are my 3 rainbow bracelets right here. I think they look great. And also don't forget to leave a big thumbs up for me and Rena T's video. So this is the end of our video, and I really hope this video helped you make your very own rainbow bracelet. You could do it any colors you want, and if you haven't already, please share, like, comment, and subscribe to my video. I'll see you next time in the next video. Bye!